War Games Challenge 3. This is one way to clean it out. All right, we're going to bring in Jericho and the Bounty Hunter. Put them on hold. We're going to bring in 4 Lightbringers and prepare the base for destruction. We take out him. And he's back. Now, with the Jericho, we're going to clean out the echoes. Just keep your Jericho moving. He should be fine. Pick him off one at a time. Get him to chase you. Jericho will kill him. Let's get another one. Come on, chase me. Hey, he's gone. Let's get another one. Gotta be careful now. Here's where sometimes you pick up the Nemesis. Sometimes you pick up Matt. All right, now, as far as we can go for that one. Now we're going to use the Bounty Hunter as a distraction. Come on, Bounty Hunter. Go where I tell you to go. And then, while Matt is killing the Bounty Hunter Jerichos, or Romeros, we're going to kill Matt with a Jericho. Someday I'll learn the names of all these different units. All right, he's gone. Now we're going to get rid of a few more of the echoes. And we're going to let that build up because we're going to need that in a second. Echoes just same every time. Just get him to chase you, then kill it. Got to get one more. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to pull out what's over there to attack you. Okay, let's get rid of this guy here. Sometimes we'll get them both, not this time. All right, got rid of him. Maybe we can get one more. Just get rid of the echoes. Got him. All right. Now, we're going to come over here. We're going to get rid of this guy when we do. Another unit's going to come out. Here he comes. He will see the Romeros, and then you kill him while he's attacking the Romeros. Okay, he's gone. Basically, now we're done. Not too hard. Get rid of that one. We got one more echo to get rid of. Kill the echo. There you go. There you go. Kill the echo. All right, come over here. Put him over here. Now we're going to bring in 4 Wastelanders, 4 Lightbringers. Put them on hold. Then we're going to use the Bounty Hunter as a distraction. He's going to go over here and shoot over here. And then as soon as the Nemesis starts shooting, we're going to kill the Nemesis. Whoa, 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 whoa. He doesn't normally do this. He usually goes over there. This is unusual. Oh, I didn't bring in my Wastelanders. Oh, that's what happens when you're a rookie. Bring in your Wastelanders and your Lightbringers. And I brought in the dev. I messed up. It's all right. Not the end of the world. But you see how it's done. and they'll just kill him. Well, he's shooting up there. These guys will kill him. I brought the dev in, and of course he's always attracted to the. Okay, now just retreat everybody, and with the light bringers, we clean the rest of the base out. Just that easy, just that quick. Got rid of him. Okay, 3's gone. Even with all the goof-offs. All right, let's kill a 4. We'll use basically the same guys. And I have a whole bunch of Wastelanders that I just use as backup, but I'll use them a little bit more here in base 4. All right. Let's bring some troops in and clean it out. Bring in the Jericho and the Bounty Hunter. Put them on hold. Thank you. You pain in the butt. Bring in our 4 light bringers. Don't move them too far, or they'll start shooting, and you don't want them to shoot yet. Bring in Wastelanders. Right there is good. Far enough. Bring in Devin, which wasn't supposed to come in before, but he did. And he'll bring all these troops up to you, and you can kill them when they come up. Come on, get up here, get up here, get up here. There you go. I want to bring him up so that the Wastelanders, and there you go. Okay, got rid of him. All right, now put Dev right there. Come on, get up here. We're going to bring these up so that they do a more effective job. All right, right there's good. Bring your Wastelanders up. That's good right there. So they'll do the killing, and Devin will just bring all the enemy up to us. Get up here, come on. All right, now let's go get a crucible. Get this crucible up here, come on, get up here. Get this crucible, okay, boom. All right, get rid of Dev, we don't need him anymore. Now we'll use the Lightbringers and the Wastelanders to take out the other side. Find the Bounty Hunter, there he is. Bounty Hunter, come over here. All right. He will be a distraction so that we can get rid of the Hopliters over here. Take the Wastelanders and kill all the Hopliters. And this guy isn't coming, so we're there. Take him out. All right. Now, Bounty Hunter. He'll be distraction, and the Wastelanders will get rid of the Lightbringer. Now just clean out as much as you can with your Wastelanders. And the rest of the base, you're just going to use Bounty Hunter as a distraction and Wastelanders to clear the base. All right, let's withdraw all these guys. We will bring in Wastelanders here, and then with these Wastelanders, put them right there. Where's my bounty hunter? There you are. Now we're just going to let him be the distraction we need him to be. All right, Wastelanders. So as soon as he shoots, we're going to get rid of this hoplighter. All right, now wait for the next shot, and we'll get rid of these two guys. Okay, come up here, out of the way. Wait for the next shot, and we'll get rid of these two guys. As soon as he lands, you'll see him in the air as he's coming. There, boom, kill him. Now, as you go, he'll start shocking people, and as he shocks people, just kill him. Whenever you see the shock show up, okay, oh, there he goes, he's shocked. Once they're shocked, you can kill them, they won't shoot you. Okay, wait till he shows up, and then we can kill him. We got to get rid of him. Wait till he shows up, and then we'll get him. That guy's wants to get. Oh, he saw us. Okay, once they see you, just kill him. You'll get a little bit of damage, but not a lot. All right, now we are going to bring the bounty hunter and get him to get a little closer. As soon as he lands, we can kill these guys. Just wait for... There he goes. Once they shoot, we can take a lot less damage. As you can see, once those distractions are there, take a lot less damage, and this base is done. Didn't kill this one. Maybe we should kill him. Go and do likewise. Just that easy. Just that quick.